Mr. Irrelevant is the title bestowed each year upon the last pick of the annual National Football League draft. Although the NFL draft dates back to 1936, the first person to officially be given the Mr. Irrelevant title was Kelvin Kirk, pick number 487 of the 1976 draft. The current Mr. Irrelevant is Tae Crowder, former linebacker for the Georgia Bulldogs, who was picked 255th by the New York Giants in the 2020 draft. Mr. Irrelevant and Irrelevant Week arose in 1976 when former Southern California and NFL receiver Paul Salata founded the event in Newport Beach, California. He continued to announce the final pick of the NFL draft until 2013. From 2014, his daughter took over in announcing the pick. During the summer after the draft, the new Mr. Irrelevant and his family are invited to spend a week in Newport Beach, where they enjoy a trip to Disneyland, a golf tournament, a regatta, a roast giving advice to the new draftee, and a ceremony awarding him the Lozman Trophy. The trophy mimics the Heisman, but depicts a player fumbling a football. Irrelevant Week gave so much publicity to Mr. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.